So I'm James Bushey with Adorama Business Solutions, and I also am a police officer in the state of Wisconsin. With Adorama, I serve as a drone, camera, and forensic consultant. Yesterday we did what they call Beyond the Cage live demo event. So we went out into the desert. We brought out obviously the TruckVault system and also the Brink Lemur drone, which is a SWAT specific drone meant for interior tactical searches. So the storage and remote viewing option to obviously the drone itself and kind of showcasing the unique features of both of those.
So this is a great solution for the Lemur S system, because if this was something that you were on the road with at a critical incident and you needed to be able to display in real time what's going on to the decision makers at the scene, you'd have everything built into this to deploy it, to charge it, to remote view it, everything to keep you on the road and not have to shut down based on a lack of power or charging systems.
In my police department, we have a large geographic area. Time is of the essence, so you can send a robot in and let it do the heavy lifting for us, if you will, and then send the appropriate team members in after that to do the work more efficiently and safer. We didn't have to kind of build these kits in our garage ourselves. We could go and have one that was professionally built and well thought out, and had everything that we kind of needed all in one-stop shop. The power, the TV remote viewing, and then the ability to kind of make that box what you want it to be specific to your need. It's nice to be able to go to one company and say, hey, this is the solution I need, and how can you do that for me? And I see a lot of other companies out there building storage solutions, but nothing as robust as what the TruckVault offers. It's super easy to use and totally customizable, but it's rugged. It looks good. It's well built. It's all well thought out for the placement of where you can plug things into, to the drawers and how you access your gear. We decided to partner with TruckVault because you guys were the end solution to everything.